there goes the ground.
No, that's much steeper than what I thought it was going to be. Oh, going down.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
There goes the rock slide up.
Yeah, it's doing its job.
Yeah, it is.
Like a champ. That looked much more brutal than what I thought it was going to. Should we try that hill?
If you think you've got the confidence.
So that's what can happen. I don't know if I'm even going to make it up. I'm probably going to come back down and bottle it, but we'll see. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm going to use the lighter one, I think.
I don't do things by halves.
Oh, I know you don't. But fair play. That was, I'm not doing that one.
I'm not doing that again.
This side looks a bit nicer.
Yeah, I might do that next time. Ooh. What?
Which way are you coming down?
Hopefully. But I need to try and get to that side of it. Okay. First hurdle. Oh, I didn't realise there was so much room.
Yeah.
I forgot that a bit. I'm not doing... Oh, for God's sake.
I was about to say no pressure, but make this look good.
I know, I'm trying my best.
As you start.
Yeah. I haven't got a clue which line to take.
Listen to him. I can't see it either.
Maybe. Changed my mind.
Almost there. A little bit more. Tipping in.
Woo! Oh my goodness me. Oh my lord. Oh god. I'm not doing that again. I think this is a hill. I'm not sure. Woo. That feels a bit sketchy. Wow. Wow. I can't see that rock.
You clear.
I wonder if I can get up there. Through a tree, apparently. Ready?
Ready.
I'm not doing that again. Oh. Ow. Ow.
Not to say the bad news, but can you do it again? Because I think I had it on time warp.
Did you seriously?
So.
You
I just looked and it said time warp.
Shall I go again?
Well, only if you want to.
Oh no, I missed it anyway.
I didn't see it either.
Yeah, exactly. It didn't happen.
Definitely didn't happen.
But if you break it, you know, I wouldn't
Yeah.
be here or filming.
I can imagine. I can go again if necessary.
Just once.
I'm not doing that again. Practice start.
Practice start.
Oh. Oh. I can only but hope that's mainly the rock sliders and the tank guard and that one is making those noises. I'm not going again.
No?
If that was on time warp, tough luck.
It wasn't that time.
Good.